Hi friends, today I have a special unboxing from Archer and Olive. It's their new everyday collection. I can't wait to share with you what I got. Let's unbox it together. Welcome back to my channel. I am Natalie of Coquette Natalie and I love to talk about planners and stationery. Thank you for joining me today. This is a special unboxing. I haven't opened anything yet. I just took off my address. I did want to add that I actually burned myself cooking on January 2nd. A day after New Year's. Happy New Year to everyone. So it's healing right now, and I just want to kind of keep it covered. So I'm going to just unbox this right now, and we can check out what I got from the new Archer and Olive Everyday collection. And just to add, today, the new Bonnie's Favorites, she's the CEO of Archer and Olive. She has a few of her favorites up, and I did pick up some things. We'll talk about that later. And there's a new Valentine's box as well. So I'll show that stuff to you later after this video, but you can also check that out on the site right now. There are a few things I got from that I want to share as well. So let's open this up. Ooh, this is so fun to get everything out of the box. Let me take everything out with you and we can check out what I picked up. Okay, so first off, I want to go over just some of the accessories I picked up. And inside the box, there was my shipping paper, but there's also this really cute little like fold out piece that kind of tells a story about Archer and Olive. And I really love this. It's really beautiful. I am so excited. I've been gathering all my things and I'm going to film sort of like setting up my like junk journal or creative journal soon. So I'm still figuring it out and I may need like a bit of, I had to recover a bit after winter break. Yeah, my next video will have something with that. And I'll also show you just a few things that I bought. I won't do like a full haul because I only bought a few things. Okay, so I really wanted these calligraph pens because I've been doing some brush lettering and I picked up the snow and stillness ones before the holidays. Like I want to say like in the beginning of winter break, before Christmas. So this arrived after and I love them so much. They are so great for like coloring even, not just for lettering. Just the colors that Archer and Olive uses for their markers and pens, they're just so beautiful. So I knew I wanted to kind of like build my collection of these calligraph pens. So this one is the grayscale ones, and this is just like perfect for everyday like lettering over the Tombow Futunesque. And they're a little bit easier to use, but I like these too because there's a broad tip and a thin tip. Oh, and there's little stickers too. Okay, that's good. So I think I can get through and figure this out. I want to swatch them really quickly here with you. I have my little field mouse notebook. And here's where I did this was like my first foray into swatching in a book here. And I thought I was going to start here. And then I realized there were so many pens, so I had to do a layout and I should have done this here. So I might just put like a washi or some stickers and redo the top there. And I don't know what happened here. Oh, I think I leaked through the other side from that one. Actually, let me show you the final swatches here. They look really nice. They'll be really great. I did order the other calligraph set from Bonnie's Favorites, so I'm looking forward to getting that. And I'll swatch those for you. So what's next? This is the craft knife. I was intrigued by it because I have a craft blade that I've probably had for like, I want to say 30 years, 25 years. And it's just really old and the plastic cap has like cracked on it. And I thought, what a good thing to treat myself as I move into this kind of more creative space I want to get into with an actual like really pretty craft knife here. I don't even know how to get this out. Well, it doesn't come out. Just slide this out. Okay, there we go. I just love teal is like one of my favorite colors, and I don't have little kids, so I don't have to worry about them grabbing this as a pen. But if you have a small child or a grandchild, you definitely should be careful. I think it does say craft knife on here. I would just keep it out of reach of kids. I don't know, they're really good at finding things. So the blade here is really sharp. You can see, focusing. It's very sharp. I can already tell. So, and it feels really good in the hand to cut. I'm not going to cut anything right now because I have my hand in the sleeve thing, but I think this would be really great for little projects and everything that I can just, it feels really good in my hand right now, actually. And I just like that the cap looks like a pen. It'll be really nice and handy in my little craft pouch. So yeah, I'm really excited. And so just in case, I don't know if things sell out, I did get a bunch of blade refills, since this is not like, it's sold by Archer and Olive, so that I could replace the blade, because I know these can get really dull. Okay, so the blade refills come in this little container, and I think there are 3. They're just stuck on the side here, but they're like in this little container, and there are 3, so that should last me for a long time, I think. So I'm glad I have these refills, so that will fit this, and it's just so pretty. I just love this teal color. Is just gorgeous. Okay, let's put this aside. Okay, so let me see. What is this? I did get some stamps. Like, one of the things I'm excited about Archer and Olive paper is that I can just finally like use all my stamps and stuff. And no surprise, I went with the florals. You can see that here. I'm not going to test them here, but I did get that Archer and Olive stamp pad. So I want to try some things in my journal, like layering paper and stamps, and just experimenting. So yeah, you can come along the journey with me as I try this out. I think it'll be really fun. So I really wanted to get some of their florals. It kind of goes with the antique floral set that I picked up as stickers last time. So I think it'll look really nice. And I just love this. It's like a classic floral look. You can't go wrong with it. Okay, let's open this one first. I don't even remember. Oh, I think I know. Well, is this one? No, let's open this first. And I think those two go together. I'm excited to show that one. Let's open this up. Oh, this is so pretty. So I don't have anything like B6 size, and I do sort of like this smaller journal because the B6 comes with, I think it's less pages. So it says here on the box. The color is periwinkle. It's a beautiful blue, and it comes with 112 pages, dot grid notebook, 112 ultra thick, 160 GSM pages. I love that. And then I can figure out like which one. This is really pretty silver foil inside, and the dot grid pages are here. And you get your pocket in the side here. So I like these bookmarks here too. They're really pretty, with one of them having this really pretty silver like Archer and Olive logo, ampersand. And yeah, so I think between this one, I have this traveler size one, and then this A5 one. I'm going to figure out what I'm going to use each one of these things for. Either one is like just like a place for my washi tapes and things like that, or I'm not sure which one's going to be my junk journal, like creative, like exploration journal. So I'm going to figure that out, but I just want to see, like, I wanted to see the size, and it feels really good in the hand. It's not as big as A5, but I don't know, I may need more space creatively with all the collaging and stuff. So we'll see, but I really thought this was really, really pretty. So I'm excited I have this now. Stick it up here. And then this one, let's open the larger one first. This one I've been wanting since they started this style. I think it was last year. And I was tempted to pick that up my first order a few weeks ago. But I'm glad I didn't, because I didn't know this collection was going to come out. So I picked up this, and I got it in this lavender color. This is like their, I don't know the exact name. Let's look in the back here. It is Vintage Library. And there actually is a book journal version of this as well. I got the one that's just the vegan leather cover because what I want to use this as, you'll see inside. So this comes with, this is a cover that, move, my stuff is falling down. This is actually a cover that you can change out the notebook inside with. Oh, there's something here. And it's a nice cover, and I can use it for other things too if I wanted to. But I love the lavender color. It'll go with everything else that I have in my lineup this year, but it just makes me happy. And this is really soft. And I just feel like this is more flexible. It's very affordable just to get inserts, and it comes with, when you order it, one dot grid insert. So I'm going to actually take this out because I'll show you the other insert I got. Okay, so I just got that side off, and then let's take out this side, which is like another idea is this is kind of cool for junk journaling too, because you can just like also decorate this cover as well. These are extra inserts you can buy. You just add it right into this little cover. And I love that there's the Archer and Olive logo here, and it's very pretty with a magnet closure. Okay, so let me show you the other insert I got and what I'm going to do with this. Okay, so this is a soft cover vegan. I don't know why it says vegan leather lined notebook, because I don't think there's leather on it. Let me open this up. Okay, so I got this one, and you can see from the front there's lines, because this one is a lined notebook. And this one has dots on there because this is a dot grid. And there also is newly added a graph one, I believe. So, and then there's a blank one. So you can just have like a blank one for like a sketchbook and whatnot. So I'm just going to put this in here. I'm going to use this as like sort of like my journal for like morning pages, or like a journal to write stuff that I just want to write. Because I feel like I wanted lines. I just want to write. And I feel like with journaling right now, I've been doing such, I'm not going to actually put this in right now on camera. It's kind of stressful, but I wanted to try, because I know Archer and Olive paper is so good. I wanted to try something back here with my fountain pens and do a pen test with my Esterbrook fountain pen and just see how it writes in here. So this is fine nib. So, oh, it writes really well. This is my Coffee Monsters Co pen, so I know. I'll probably use this one, but it does write really well. And there's barely any ghosting too. So it's pretty good. You can see how clear that looks. I am actually really excited. I don't want to close the book just yet, but let me try and put this back inside the journal off camera, and then you can see how it looks. Okay, I got my journal in here. I'm so excited. I feel like this is a great place where I can just write thoughts down and not worry about like having a smaller size. And honestly, I know like there's nothing like writing on like real paper. I know the Tomoe River paper is very thin and nice, but I just wanted a place to like, I can even add some stickers on here and just kind of like go with the flow with my pen and just write and get all my thoughts down. And this will be really nice. I'm not sure if I'll be sharing this, but maybe I'll be able to share some pages and stuff. So this is what I'm going to do for like just journaling and writing with my fountain pens. I'm really enjoying my fountain pens right now. And I really think this will be a nice addition. I don't have to write in here every day, but it's a good thing for it to be here. And I can just get refills for it as I finish it, which is perfect. And then here's a dot grid one, which I can use for something else if I want to, or I can actually even write in here too, because the dot grid is sort of like a line as well. Okay, so this is everything I picked up in the Everyday collection. I really love it. I'm excited for just the potential of what I can do more creatively for myself and for this channel coming up in 2026. I will say, so today, while I'm filming this, the new Archer and Olive Bonnie's Favorite just launched, and Bonnie is the founder of Archer and Olive. And she also came out with the Rose and Thorn 2026 seasonal Valentine's box. So usually for subscription boxes, you can't use my discount, but this isn't a sub box. So you actually can use my discount, which is Natalie10 off, and get 10% off your entire order. So I'm going to tell you what I picked up really quickly in the sale. I did not get the Valentine's Day box. I did pick up from Archer and Olive, from Bonnie's Favorites, something that looked really interesting to me, and that was the new notebook that she has out, which is, so she has this new notebook out, and it features, I didn't realize that Archer and Olive is the name of her cats, so it features a beautiful blue notebook, but this one is different. It's called Bonnie's Fave A5 album, and it comes with paper, like the binding is done differently. So you can make this a junk journal or a photo album, and you can really stick in lots of photos and pages, and it won't like overwork the spine of the book. So I wanted to try that out and just see what that's like. This is an A5 size. She also has an A5 notebook and B6 notebook in the same cover design. So I just got the A5 album to check out that and just see how it would be. I also picked up these collage papers that look just gorgeous. There are like vintage style papers of writing and tags and different kinds of textures of paper and stamping on them and butterflies and whatnot. So I definitely got this little book. It's a booklet of collage papers. And then the last thing I got were these Bonnie's Favorite calligraph pens, because now you guys know I love these calligraph pens. And these are really nice colors that I don't have. They weren't in the Snow and Stillness set that I have. So I definitely wanted to pick that up. So if anything looks interesting to you, please feel free to use my affiliate code. I really appreciate it. So sometime soon, I'm going to film a creative journaling video, probably next week. I've been gathering up all my supplies. So I hope to get that up to you soon, and then we can just have fun and do our creative journaling together and explore and use all the notebooks and stationery and pens and markers and stickers and just have fun in 2026. So I hope you're in for that. And if you want to not miss the video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.